Using modern tools is making agriculture one of the best sectors on the world. So guys, in today's video, I want to be talking about some of the sensor tools for modern farming. One of the tools we have here is rotary rake. Rotary rake actually it uses a rotating arm with tine fins with tines to move the material into the neat windows. So these are the fins you're seeing, the red ones you're seeing here. These are the fins. So it rotates the arm. So in the process of rotating, it puts the grass for making the silage in line, or it puts the silage materials in line for easy collection, such that it's easier to be collected and taken to the silage. So that is one. The second one is we have straw baler. Straw baler is a machine used for compressing the cut crop, like the hay and the straw. The straw, the one which is cut, it's compressed, and then it's easier for future storage. So for example, the down here is where the straw passes. It's connected actually to the machine, to the tractor, and then it is driven, and then the straw is compressed in it, and then this is where the straw it passes from. So after compressing, it ties the straw, and then eventually the straw is moved outside the box. And then the next machine we have here is this is the one for harvesting the potatoes. So it is also connected to another machine, and then it's moved on the field, and then the potatoes are removed from the ground, and then this is where the potato passes from, and then it goes up, and then from there it goes into the loader, or through this arm. This is where the potato goes to the trailer, ready for transportation. So that is called a potato machine. It's mainly used in the big fields. So this one is also called the stone picker. It's designed in a way that it's able to pick each and every stone, mostly the big stones and the small ones. That's why you're seeing there are some stones which are put there. So it indicates that it has got those tines for collecting the stones. So the stone moves over the belt, and then from there the stone is put back into it's put in the bucket. So as you're seeing here, that's how the stone is collected. So it hits the stone, then the stone goes up to the bucket. Then from bucket, the stone can be taken to the disposal area, like area where it's to be disposed. So the other upper one is the bucket. So it can be tipped. So you just tip it, then the stone passes over. So this is where the stone passes when it's from the ground. So you tip it, and then you dispose it in the area where you want it to be. So that is called a stone picker. Another is seed planter. Seed planter is used for planting the seeds into the soil. So in these buckets here, these buckets you're seeing here, the white ones, this is where the seed is put, and then the seed is put here in this black, the white ones. Then they also, at the same time, it has ability of planting the seed together with the fertilizer. So this is where the fertilizer is put. Then the implement is mounted on a tractor, and then it's taken to the field for planting. So that is called a seed planter, if you've never come across it, and that is a seed planter. So inside here, this is where the fertilizer goes, and then it goes down to the field. As it makes the holes, the fertilizer is going into the soil. So this one is also called a heavy hitch reversible plow. So this is like it's a plow. It's used for plowing the field and making it ready for the season. So it's ready for planting. So you can see how it looks like. It's also connected to the tractor, and then yeah, it's just an implement which you mount on a tractor. It is a hydraulic. You can turn it the other way around. It works the same thing. So that's why it is called the reversible hydraulic plow. So it's just mainly used for plowing the big fields. Then The next one, we also have uh, uh, before that, this implement has got actually a sharp cutting edge which enters the soil and the digs the soil deeper, and then it turns the soil which is down, it turns it up. So the next machine we have here, the next implement is straw machine. This machine is basically used for putting the straw on the beds for the cow to sleep on. So it's just mounted, it's connected to a tractor, or it's connected to any other machine, and then it's in hydraulic. So you just drive it, and then yeah, it has a controller which you put in the tractor. Then yeah, you're ready to use it for strawing, or even it can be used for other purposes, but mainly this one is used for putting the straw on the cow beds. So you can see how it looks like. And then these ones, we have got also the fork. These are hydraulic forks actually. They are used for collecting the manure from the field, or even cleaning the boxes of the cow, or any other thing, because it has ability. Since it's hydraulic, you can grab the manure, and then the manure cannot move off. Since you tighten it, you close it, then you are able to drive with this manure at a distance. You drive with it very far. And then these ones also forks, they're used for carrying the straws, because you just point the straw and then you take the straw. And for these ones are the ones which we use mainly for making these forks. We use them for making during the making the silage, for pushing the silage upwards. And then these are just mainly this is called belt rake. Belt rake is used for collecting for arranging the material. For example, when you are cutting the grass for silage, you use these belts for collecting. These tines, they drive the material inside, and then this belt drives it to the line. So this one we're having here is called a terrace disc harrow. This terrace disc harrow is a it's a specialized agricultural implement designed for constructing the terraces on the sloped farmlands. Terraces help to reduce soil erosion and water conservation. So since they make lines like in the field, so these lines, it makes what it reduces soil erosion by the running water. So the water, even if it's going very fast, it has ability of not going over those terraces. Instead, the water enters the terraces. So guys, if this is the video which you like, consider subscribing, sharing, and then also turn on your notification bells, so that you will not miss on any other video that I'll be uploading. Because if you don't turn it up, I think it will be hard for you to receive any other notification. So what you do is give it a thumbs up, turn on your notification bell at the same time, such that you are able to receive each and every video that I'll be sharing with you. So guys, see you in the next video.